Howdy, this is a G-Tech power strip USB charger power supply thing. It's supposed to, bolt into one of those. Well, not one of those, but like a normal outlet, and you can charge your phone and still have 3 plugs. I haven't plugged it in yet, but wanted to take it apart first to make sure that there wasn't anything super scary. It has these things that, if I can do this one-handed, yeah, it's got these things that come out the side, and then you can put your phone in it. It's got one on each side. Then it hangs up, and I guess you have your charge cords go out through there. Not, awful. I was thinking of maybe putting it somewhere, but like I said, I want to make sure the insides aren't super scary. So, it has a couple Phillips heads. Take those out. There we go. Now I got the back off. Gotta get this plastic off. Let's see. Alright, that little plastic thing was in the way. So let's pop that off and drop the screws everywhere, of course. Throw those in the back here. Alright, there we go. That's not awful looking. There's the screw that goes through. There's the bus bars for the power in. Solid brass. Not bad. I like how they have the pins soldered to it, not just stamped. It's pretty cool. Then we have an LED up here. I guess, yeah, that just tells you power's coming in. And then 2 wires out to this little power supply here. Let me pop that screw out. Okay, let's see. Alright, there you go. It's not too bad. It's got a fuse. Let's see, 400 volt capacitor. So this thing's probably 90 to 240, I bet. Let's see. LTS 5 volt, 2.1, 2.4 amp. From November of 2015. There's the secondary. Oh, let's go this way. And bridge rectifier, and looks like a switching chip. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. It's got plenty of isolation on the back. Even has slots cut out. So that's pretty cool. I'll put this back together and find a spot to hang it up. Thanks for watching.